Heya Duck! So today I'm going to show you how to create snakeskin. Not your average snakeskin, because this is going to be flash gel from our brand new City Light collection. It's flashing city lights. So I'm going to use these beautiful colours. There are 16 colours in this collection. It's like the biggest collection we've ever done. It's absolutely chef's kiss. Gorgeous. Right, okay, so I'm going to use all these gorgeous colours here. I'm going to show you the colours individually because you need to appreciate the beauty of the colours. So we have Paris by day and Paris by night. Can you remember like the postcards you used to get? Paris by day, Paris by night. Are you kidding me? Put Paris by night into the Google engine. You used to get
Google engine.
Search engine, whatever you call it. You get, I remember everywhere I went, you always got like a postcard. I'm so old. Guys, if you are way younger than me, you will not know what I'm on about. But you used to get postcards and it'd be like Paris by night or London by night. Yeah, and it'd have all the lights and everything like that. Hence Paris by day, Paris by night. The day colours are a cream. Oh, look at that. Creamy flat colour. The by night colours are a flash gel in the corresponding colour. So that is the Paris one. I am going to show you London by day and London by night. And this is like that sort of denim indigo kind of blue. Very Levi jeans. Absolutely love it. Lovely and creamy. And then we have London by night is the same but in a flash gel. And when I say flash gel, they have special particles in there that catch the light from every single angle. If you've never used a flash gel before, try these. They're amazing. So then we've got Vegas by day and Vegas by night. Gorgeous hot pink, flat creamy gorgeousness. And then we've got the Vegas one, which is again your bright pink but in a flash gel. Then we've got Tokyo by day, Tokyo by night. So you've got a gorgeous coral, bright creamy colour, and then you've also got the same in your flash gel. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So those are the colours we're going to use today. We're using the Aleana hand. This is the half hand. So the half hand comes like this. It's got your magnet here so you can connect it to your stand. And it's also branded, darling. It's branded. Look at it. It's beautiful. Perfect for content creating or practicing your nail art or nail structure, anything. So we're going to use these colours to do the design. We're going to start with London. We're going to start with the London colours. I'm going to do a quick base coat on these because I want them to have longevity. We'll whack them into the lamp. Base coat is going to give you beautiful adhesion. So if you've got any clients and you like, you know, maybe you don't use our system, maybe use a different brand, and if you struggle with gel polish peeling and things like that, then use ours. Give it a try. We have sort of little kits, don't we, Adam? We have like a bronze kit so you can get a few polishes, your top and base, and it's a perfect way to try out our brand. Give this base coat give this base coat a go. Honest to God, it's just like to die for. It gives you all the adhesion. And in the lamp we go. So we're going to start with London by night. And I'm going to do one coat of this first of all and cure it before I do my second coat. So I am going to use the colours that we've selected and do my one coat first of all. So I'll do a coat of Paris by night.
I thought you were going to do it the other way around. I thought you were going to do the flat colour and then the flash gel.
I tried that one and you can do that.
It is.
But I kind of like this way more. Then Vegas by night. My mum is currently wearing these colours. She didn't have much choice.
Yeah.
I said, you are wearing the new collection, Mum. She was like, well, I was just going to have like my normal teal colour. And I was like, no, you're wearing basically a rainbow of flash jam. So 30 seconds of the lamp. First layer, cure it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the solid colour. So this is a solid flat colour. And I'm going to put them onto my palette. So I just roll that off the brush as we place it on the palette. Then we're going with our second coat of London by Night. Then we're going to get the Pammy Picker Upper design needle end. We're going to pick up some product. We're going to create some scales.
So does that push the other gel out, or does it sit on top?
It pushes it.
Okay, so in the gaps, the flash gel will be even more intense, won't it?
Yes.
Brilliant.
And then you want to let that sort of bloom a little bit. So let it kind of just work. And then I can cure that. So next coat we're going to do Paris by Night.
I'd like to see what it looks like when you take a photo of it.
Oh my god, when you take a photo and the flash gel will go beep, but it'll only do it in those other areas. So just do your little droplets and gravity will kind of pull it out to the sides a bit. And the curvature of the nail will pull it out to the sides. And let it bloom. Just bursting any bubbles. Pop that in. So if you're doing this on a real person, you would do one finger at a time on each hand. So you'd be working on a finger while the other hand is in the lamp and vice versa. Now, Vegas nights. Oh my God. I get excited about anything with the word Vegas in. I love Vegas. So this is like snakeskin for the snake that's like, she's glam. She's a glam snake. She likes to party. Oh, see the pink. Oh, the pink is just to die for. Pop that in the lamp without letting the fingers touch. Next colour is Tokyo by Night. Obviously, the smaller the finger, the smaller markings you're going to do. Let that bloom a little bit to create the effect. And when I say bloom, it kind of just relaxes and pushes into that wet gel. In the lamp. I love them already. But we're going to top coat them now. So top coating is going to like level everything out, give it a nice seal. So it is a quick nail art, but it's something a little bit different rather than doing like your normal generic colours. So this is a glossy top coat, and this is our tack-free glossy top coat. In the lamp. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So to make it stand out even more and make it a little bit textured, we're going to take some matte top coat. I'm going to use a Meako Aqua Brush. So I'm going to load the Meako Aqua Brush. Maybe it's a little bit too big actually. And I'm going to go over the solid flat coloured gel. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love that. Right, let's do that on level. I love a glossy and matte combo, but with the flash gel as well. That's like next level. I'm going to use the flashlight to cure that so I can move on to the next nail. So it's slightly more subtle on the darker colours, but on the bright colours it's like super intense. Well, I guess they're more intense colours anyway. Bang them in the lamp. Maybe don't bang them in the actual lamp. Don't bang them. Just put them in the lamp. Just to know what I say. Gently place the hand into the lamp. Or whack it in the lamp. What do you think?
Nice. It's definitely more defined.
Yeah, it's more defined.
That's cool.
That is cool. That is so cool. I suppose it's good for people. The darker colours might be good for people who are a bit scared of having like a snakeskin print, but want it to be a bit more subtle. Maybe you wouldn't do the matte on it, and they want it a little bit more subtle. But when they're out of an evening and all the lights are dim and you've got those lights, especially in a nightclub, or in a bar, literally. When it's darker and then you have lights coming from a bar or a table, anything like that catches the light and it catches the glitter and it just looks amazing. And you'll get people be like, oh my god, there's a pattern within that. So that's a pretty cool way of using.
What, nightclubs again?
Yeah, I mean, I've not been to a nightclub for a long time. But yeah, that's a way that you can use all the colours. Well, not all of them. 8 of them, Duck. 8 of them.
That'll have a little bit of texture as well, won't it?
Yeah, it has some texture, which I'm a bit of a fan of texture. I do like a bit of texture on a nail. I like how it feels. But it's not too raised, so it's not too crazy. Because I like crazy texture, really. But yeah. The hand that we're using today is the Nordic Winter colour, for anybody that wanted to have a colour reference, because we do them in lots of different colours. And obviously the colours that we've used today are from the Flashing City Lights collection. Go check it out. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all the socials and all that shebang. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-da! Heya Duck. So today I'm going to show you how to create snakeskin. Not your average snakeskin, because this is going to be flash gel from